Hey guys, this is Developer Dude, and in the previous video we have designed this header and this carousel slider image slider. But in this video we will write HTML codes for this section, this one section, okay, for this section, and design it. So let's get started. So here is our header. Just wrap it and wrap this one slider and also the container. In the container tag, create a dot container one div and write your dot para and a key tag here. Write this in that p. So just Control C, Control V. Now create a href with a dead link. Now copy and paste this. Click here. Oh, Control C, Control V. Okay. Now create another div with class name product COMP. Okay. Now create another div in it, class name box. In this box, create a h3 giving accessories. Okay. Now create another div with class name box A. In this box A, create another div. Create another div and an image tag. So copy and paste image link. I will give you in the description. So Control V, and now create a span tag name headset. Okay, Control save. Now check this out, how it is looking. Control R. So here it is, the slider, totally messed up. But we'll just copy and paste this box div. Okay, so just copy this one div, headset, and images one. Control C for 4 times. V, 3, and 4. Control save. Control R. Okay. Now, so we are designing this section, giving accessories, and this one. So let's write CSS code for this. Dot. So now we are focusing on container 1. Okay. Position absolute. Z index 1 and top say 230 pixel. Left 0. Width 100%. Width is 100%. Padding 20 pixels. Display flex. Flex direction. Column. And align item center. And also our most important thing, background. Background is to be linear gradient, and to bottom transparent, and ED 30%. Now save it. Check this out. So how this is looking? Something similar. Okay, now design it. Dot container 1 para dot para, focusing on para. So background color RGB 238 234 234. Okay. Enter width 100%. Text align center. Now focusing on dot container 1 div first child font size 14 pixel, and padding 12 pixel. Dot product comp width 100% and height 100%. Display flex, box sizing, border box, margin 1 pixel, and 0 might be 0, and justify content, space between. Now dot product comp dot box width 315 pixel and height 400 pixel. Background color. Okay, now dot box h3 margin top 20 pixel, margin left 20 pixel, font size 20 pixel, font size tools, margin bottom 10 pixel, and color RGB 434242. Okay. Now dot box A, font size 13 pixel, and margin left 20 pixel. Display as block, padding top 30 pixel. Okay, now dot box div image width 167 pixel, height 120 pixel, and cursor pointer, margin left minus 20 pixel, margin right 0. Control save, Control R. Now here it is. Okay, how it is looking? Not looking good. So designing it. To design this, so dot box A div display inline block. So dot box A div span display block, font size 30 pixel and margin left 20 pixel. Now save it, Control R, and here it is. But this is not looking good. Let's check this out. So I think I've found the problem here. Now write the dot box A overflow hidden background color white. Okay, and change this to around, Control save, and in this p tag cut this and paste it here, Control save. Now check this out, Control R, and now copy and paste this section. So let's start it. So I have copied and pasted this section 4 times. Now let's check this out on the website. So here it is. This is looking like this, same as it is. But in the next video we will design this section. So if you didn't subscribe this channel, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.